Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Omoniyi, and I have here with me
Ivy
and Johnny. Today we're going to be reviewing 3 Amala Bukka slash restaurants. So we'll be going to Iyaoyo. We'll be going to Amala Place at Jahi, and we're going to Ojuelegba, the one at Garimpa. So we'll be having Amala, and we'll be giving you guys a review of the 3. We'll let you know the best, because from the survey we did, we had top 3, and the top 3 are those places I just mentioned, and we're going to be reviewing them and giving you guys the feedback. Are you ready?
I am ready!
Breakfast etiquette in Abuja. I would like to say this. Why the hell are you eating Amala this time? What happened to bread, bacon, pancakes? Why?
But what are we here doing?
Well, on a mission. Our case is different. As you see, we're doing review, we're doing YouTube work. So this is very different from what these people here are doing. Yeah. This is
the size?
Like nothing anybody can tell me. These are prison bowls.
You want together in the case, right?
Yes.
Yeah, together in the case.
What about you?
Yes, one.
I'm like experience. Whatever is in there.
Put my egg.
Maybe leave a normal beef.
Egg. Yeah, liver. Like I told you, liver and beef. Liver beef.
Sorry.
This is nice.
Okay. How does it taste?
I don't know how I feel. I can taste the palm oil a lot. That's like the predominant taste.
Yeah, true. The palm oil here is very sharp.
Yeah.
What happened?
What's your crust is? It's very beautiful.
And you can correct?
One of our like 2 mix together is 300 like that. And
If this was hostel, I would have. But because this is a public place, you can't do this.
so see, it's quiet and do it now. And everybody laugh at you. You'll be on Insta blog Nigeria.
I'll be like, I don't want to blow like
So the
that.
total cost should be 1,200
Yeah, everybody.
1,200.
So this was our one
That's
to experience.
approximately what? For 3 people.
It's 400 naira per person.
I feel like I'm filled already.
That's why you cannot be doing 3 portions to just kill us. Right then we just I feel I'm soft, man.
That's the good thing. As soon as we were done, it came to pop up. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's go. So let's go for the other place. We're going to Jahi now.
Jahi.
fancy, but
Yeah, it is.
This is the Bukka.
Oh yeah, this is true. No, the anyway do doesn't have that taste.
It didn't do it for me.
No.
It's not there. This is why I say too much packaging and zero.
At least their
quality.
plates are fine. The plates are fine. I think that's
Surely.
enough for me. Yeah, now I can see the yellow. Whatever.
So yeah, how do you feel right now?
There's something lacking.
And I can actually taste the beans a lot more in this one.
There's something.
The oil is not as much.
You need the oil.
I think
You miss the oil.
I think for the pregnant soup, you need oil.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know how you want.
Because the stew is spicy.
Yeah,
Like
it
normal, like the other one too is spicy. But it just doesn't have. I think probably it's the way do. I don't know. It doesn't
Yeah,
have
there's
that.
something.
It feels like it was they blended it on that than using the way to.
And because we had waited in line for a while, the Amala is already dry. It's already really dry.
This at this place the price is 1,600. That's we didn't buy 2 bottles of water, and the other place we got 2
Yeah.
bottles. This one is just with 1 bottle
Just
of
one
water.
bottle.
So that's how much difference. Now even though we 100 naira, if we add 100 naira to the water, that would be 170. So
Done in 2 minutes.
So we should give you a word again, because we're not allowed to hear us.
Their service was quick as well.
yeah,
Yeah?
yes, like
Yeah.
for them to like for
They are
the-
clearing.
No, the
Oh
clearing.
yeah, even at
The other place.
They didn't have time to waste time. It's very fast.
it doesn't look like an Amala place, so I'm already scared of the service. Because I don't know, there's just this thing about it being really local. Yeah, it looks like a restaurant. I don't know.
Okay, so with this one, it feels like it was the ewedu was like they just did a store with the ewedu brew, but it's not smooth. And this is stew. This is
Stew, like for
stew
rice, abi?
for rice.
Yeah,
This is
you
not
know,
stew for Amala.
And the Amala is flat.
I think, but for one wrap of Amala,
That was everywhere Amala is 100.
You can see from her expression, she's really depressed.
the stew is from rice, and the stew is
Rice stew.
not for Amala.
I think I would just stick to rice and plantain and beans for Ojueleba because this Amala is not really it. It's not doing it for me at all. It's not.
Yeah, it tastes sour. I know you're not bashing them. It's just.
I'm not, because like, why would you
Stew
say
is even sour.
stew? And your name is Ojuelegba. It doesn't make any sense. Like, if it was a restaurant, I think I would excuse that. Ojuelegba, they are showing signs of Oshodi and Ojota and whatnot here. I'm upset, guys.
You know while I was growing up, I really find it hard to differentiate
But it was like this.
Well, like what?
It was like.
What it do?
How you doing, guys? Yeah,
What
yeah,
it
yeah.
do?
Represented.
If we're going to Yaoyo, Amala Place, and Ojuelegba, let me leave it to them. Let them talk first about their own. Like, what do you think? What's
So,
your
ladies
which-
first. You know.
Since you guys insist,
Yes, I
just cause you insist.
will.
Anyway, so I think the first was Yaoyo, and what I think about that place, it looks like a regular Amala place, honestly, because I think they all have this vibe of trying to be, we're selling local food, so we should probably look like it, I guess. So it had that vibe, but my problem were the plates that were used to serve. Those plates are for prisoners, guys.
She said prisoners.
Yeah, actually. But if you look past it, I don't know. It's not. The food was good. That was the first we had, and that was the first time I was having amala at a restaurant. So it was a new taste for me, and it was really nice. It was very spicy. The oil was a bit much, but they said Oyo people like oil, so the oil was. It was a whole lot. But it wasn't bad. If you're a bad person, I'm sure that wouldn't be a problem for you. But yeah, I'm not used to that kind of stuff. But yeah, it was good. It was good food. And then we had, what was the second place? Amala Place.
Amala Place, yes.
Yeah. Amala Place too was good. Compared to, yeah, maybe because that was the first one, or it was just really good. Amala Place wasn't as nice.
I don't think because it's the first one. I think it's just the taste.
Yeah.
Generally, even if we had Amala Place first, I think Yaoyo's taste would have
still have been better.
Yes. What's your own take about?
Yeah, I'm just looking to look fine here for you guys. So the first plus was Yaoyo, like, I was excited. They saw me. I was so happy.
It actually was very.
The first taste, I was like, this is it. Like, we just had one amala. Like, trust me, if I usually take 10, I take 10. No shame.
I didn't finish 10.
I can finish it. So I had that one.
You know, 10 of that is like that's the full bowl. Oh.
Yes.
That's
3.
big prison
Three.
3.
But you know their one was small. Their portion
their
was
portion
small.
But
small.
3, I'll be struggling because
Because the soup is a lot.
I love
and then
meat,
the
so
meat,
I'll prefer. I don't mind having 10 pieces of meat.
you won't even be able to eat it.
I can if it's meat.
Okay.
See, but
So
Amala,
I enjoyed it, and I was actually using my spoon to scoop out what could be scooped from the amala in our prison bowl, which was really nice. Then we did amala spot, amala place, amala whatever.
Amala Place, guys.
So-
Amala Place.
First, I was disappointed. They had good plates. Like my
Yeah.
friend, she loves plates.
No, but really though, if you're going to serve me at least.
Okay, so they had good plates. It was real. Parking space was not that fantastic. You know, they have a VIP section for
I didn't
amala.
understand
Like,
why, but-
yeah.
what was it? Are we
Why are
traveling?
you making a VIP
It's
section
just
if you're serving
amala.
amala? Do you get?
Rice, food is VIP. I did not get it, but then I saw it happen in my front.
We're going
The
to put-
girl
to
that
remind
was
the picture
serving
of
me
the price.
now left to go and attend to VIP. I was pained.
You pay now for change.
It touched.
Don't
You-
eat your
that was-
own.
So, just so you know, after we finished, you know, we ate it. I was like, what's this? The ewedu had this sour taste.
Yeah.
So I was
remember.
like, okay, what's happening here?
Yeah.
You know, there was no oil. That palm oil that we missed in Yaoyo, we needed it in Amala. Then, I think I'll leave Ojuelegba out of this, my rant
Man,
right now.
Ojuelegba,
Let's not go there.
Ojuelegba
Let's
is
not
a
go there
different
for
shade of
Ojuelegba.
anger, but
So for me, I think the first thing Yaoyo, I didn't like the fact that they don't use POS, they don't use transfer.
I forgot
It's
that.
so bad. They don't even have a receipt.
All cash.
It's all cash. They don't even have a receipt. There was no receipts, no POS. So if you don't have your cash, you will not be able to
Buy food.
except you go and withdraw. So thank God we had like some cash on us. We would have actually
Because
gone
we're
to
actually
withdraw.
doing the whole cashless society.
We're trying to do the
Yeah,
cashless
So-
society. So apart from that, the food was actually very good. Apart from the plate, I actually agree with Ivy as well. The plate is, I don't like the way it's stainless plate one, and everything is like everything has been falling down a lot of times. So like the whole
so they
body
don't
is
do
very.
that.
Punch out the butt.
Do you understand? So,
Yeah, that's
but
really
the food is actually very good. The pepper is spicy. Do you know the way Yoruba pepper is? It was nice, and the
Oko.
gbegiri the way do, like everything was very. Even the meat was good too. It was actually tender. Yeah,
Everything was
Yeah, it was
soft.
everything was
It
actually,
was soft,
and
yeah.
the cost too is actually. It's
Yeah, it
actually
was
very,
affordable.
very affordable.
Their
too.
meat is $100.
The
No,
meat
that
is their meat is 100
You're
naira.
talking about
Yeah.
yeah.
Their meat is 100 naira, and for the three of us, we had one amala and two meat, one portion of amala and two meat, and that was 300 naira for each. That's 1,000. For that's 900 naira. If you're having your water, 100 naira. But if you're having 3 portions of amala, just add it together. That's like if you're having 3 portions of amala and 2 meats, now that's 500.
500.
That's literally reasonable. You can get a decent meal for 500 naira. Please.
Amala place was,
That was-
8,006.
Their meat is 200
200.
each.
And they are going to shock you guys.
And-
March 16th.
and 500, and they said they want to increase pounded yam.
Pounded yam will now be 500
naira.
naira. 500. Why?
So apart
It's
from
not yam.
apart from that,
How much is yam?
I think Amala place the Amala is actually was okay, but the way
Yeah, the portion was a lot
tasted-
more than.
yeah, the
So-
portion was more than the
Yeah,
other
your
ones.
portion
But-
is like.
It's very
Like
small,
this.
very small. Yeah, your portion is like very small.
I'm like this.
So
Yeah, like this.
but the taste of Amala places Ewedu, it tasted really sour.
Hey, guys.
Let's
Hail.
see. First thing first,
Hail.
Ujolegba is actually a fine place. When you look at it from outside, it actually looks beautiful.
all things
But when you
bright
enter,
and beautiful.
I don't like the way the whole
It's
thing was
lie.
just, the color was just I don't
think-
well. I think
I
that's
think
why
I
like
love
it
the
though.
the color
I
looks
think that's
rough. It's a very
no,
rough
I think that's the essence of it. They're
essence
just
of
trying to
it.
give you an infusion of how Lagos and how it is.
I
to
wish
be
that
in
infusion they
Lagos.
were trying to bring
was in the food.
also was inside that food.
Yes.
Because
I don't think they have Yoruba chefs. That's just the
It
Yeah,
doesn't
probably.
matter. Their stew, their soup, the soup is actually rice stew.
right, stew for rice, guys, like
Jeez.
tomatoes
Like,
and pepper.
guys, guys,
Like, you know when you have that tin
And-
tomato stew.
And
Why?
That
their
was what.
their stew was even sour now.
It was sour. It was like a
very
day old
sour.
food.
Like it was actually,
Actually, it's Saturday.
and the ewedu was not even properly blended. If they were using the broom or anything, but it wasn't smooth. It had like this lump. Everything was just
Yeah, it
plenty
felt
inside.
like as if
Like,
they didn't use
as
the
if I tried
Ewedu broom.
as
They
if-
didn't use it constantly.
I
Yoruba
said
men, look at
I
this.
said I said that.
If they can't even come and pound yam now,
I
they'll not
can
see
pound
you.
yam.
But to be giving reviews
I
now.
can pound
See,
yam.
Yeah,
I can't do that shit.
I think the ewedu
can
was
pound
you know
it too.
when you dice a for vegetable and it's over diced. That was how the ewedu was looking.
Yeah.
Not necessarily, do you get?
Yeah.
And
it was very dark skin.
Like-
No, I mean the
Yeah,
which
man.
one? No.
The
The
Ewedu.
Ewedu.
Ewedu, yeah.
The Ewedu was too black.
It was
too black.
compared to other places that we went to.
Ewedu was
And-
green. This one was looking black. I was like,
Yeah, this one was
hey.
looking black,
Was it- I
it
think
was
it was
green.
too much iru. It's actually too much iru that
I
makes
don't
your
even know.
Ewedu dark like that. I think they
It
put too
was
much
just-
iru. So
it
when
was
they
just-
were
was
maybe
just too was
using
just,
the Ewedu broom.
so for the review, the people that thank you guys for suggesting the top 3, and for the top 3, the first position
Drum roll, please.
goes to Yaoyo.
Yes, so I see why
Yeah.
people. Do you see the crowd?
Yaoyo is the best for us,
Yeah.
and apart from that,
So
they should just work on. They should give us more payment options. That's POS, transfer if possible, and receipts too. And the plates, they should change their plates. Apart from that, their food tasted really good. Like
Really good, yeah.
that's the best Amala Bukka. Apart from that, Amala place will go for the second position. That's because they tried. At least the food tasted. It was still good,
Yeah, it was
and their
still
meat
good.
was okay too.
Yeah, it was so.
But they should try and learn. But I think it was still their stew was okay now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Their stew was okay.
it was.
Just I think was it the way that tasted somehow. But the food was okay.
Yeah, there was
Second
a bit
position
of- there was a hint
but
of
Ojuelegba,
sourness.
no. I think
Everything
they
was
should
just
they should actually work on their soup.
and their stew. How
Their
dare
stew.
you?
Like
rice.
the difference is like I think this should be like a.
I think Ojuelegba is
a-
good for jollof rice
I don't
and
know.
white rice and stew.
Yeah,
because their
probably.
jollof rice, the smell that was hitting
No,
us.
but even
we wanted
Amala
to change
place,
our mind from being
even
Amala
place
hunters.
to like the jollof. How
Ah!
you show it?
Yes, Amala place.
Amala place. So I
The
think
jollof rice was just.
I think
smell.
Amala
Oh
place.
my
I've had
God.
their ofada rice before and it's very
No, I
nice.
don't like ofada.
Ofada rice, their ofada rice is good. But
in leaf.
that's it, Sha. So the first position goes to Yaoyo, second goes to Amala place, and the third goes to Ojuelegba.
They will not know it.
Thank you guys for watching. This is Ivy. This is Shoni. Guys, if you want us to review any restaurant, or anything you want us to review in particular, just let us know and drop it in the comment section, and follow Ivy on Instagram at
The Ivy.
the Ivy, Shoni on Instagram, Shoni Williams, and I am Noble Omoniyi. So till I see you next time,
It's a wrap, y'all.
bye.
So this